there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. Is that correct?
This is a crime against the
Mr.
financial
Secretary,
status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think that it's just right.
Mr.
that we ask.
Secretary, are you amending the provision of the
No,
law?
sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the Witness Protection Program.
In a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakasakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution. Kapag ka nakita na mayroong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Paano mo sasabihin na magre-restitute ang isang tao? Meron na bang findings kung magkano i-restitute on how it can be restituted? Nag-a-apply pa lang eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh.
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It is not my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am
At
operating...
the arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
are
operating from the vantage point of the reason behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution. So that is the principle behind all of these things that we are talking about now.
Good day po sa lahat. Si Fiscal EJ po ito. Let's talk about another reason why Senator Marcoleta is wrong. Under RA 6981 on the Rules of Court, any person admitted into the Witness Protection Program as a state witness is immune not only from criminal prosecution but also from penalties and forfeiture arising from the criminal acts he will testify about. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Kung papayag si Secretary Remulla na maging state witnesses ang mga diskaya, they can no longer be charged, tried, or convicted. In other words, wala nang criminal case laban sa kanila. Tapos na agad ang usapan sa liability. Ngayon, sabi ni Senator Marcoleta, restitution can only come after criminal liability is proven through final judgment. Technically, tama naman siya. Kasi sa ilalim ng Article 100 ng Revised Penal Code, pag may criminal liability, then may civil liability din. Pero here's the problem. Paano magkakaroon ng restitution kung hindi na nga sila pwedeng kasuhan at litisin? Kung susundin natin ang gusto ni Senator Marcoleta, lalabas na imposible nang makuha ang restitution. Bakit? Let's break it down step by step. Under Section 12 of RA 6981, admission into the program entitles the state witness to immunity from criminal prosecution for the offense or offenses in which his testimony will be given or used. In other words, if the Diskayas are admitted into the program as state witnesses, then they will be immune from criminal prosecution. Kung immune sila from criminal prosecution, ibig sabihin, hindi na sila pwedeng kasuhan sa korte. And if they cannot be charged in court, then there cannot be any judgment against them. Now, kung walang judgment finding them guilty, then there can be no civil liability. At kung walang civil liability, then there can be no restitution to speak of. Kaya kung ipipilit ni Senator Marcoleta na restitution can only happen after conviction, then his own logic actually blocks restitution from ever happening. Bakit? Kasi the Diskayas, once they become state witnesses, can never be convicted in the first place. Therefore, Marcoleta's position defeats itself. It's a dead end. Kung talagang gusto niya ng restitution, then the only viable way is through Remulla's approach. Gawin itong condition precedent bago pa man sila ma-admit sa Witness Protection Program. So yan lang po ang nais kong ibahagi today, and see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po.